Hello, WealthLab 8 users, Glitch here. Today I'm going to cover what's new in WealthLab 8 Build 136, specifically what's new in a couple of extensions. Build 136 contains a few bug fixes and performance enhancements and optimizations, including around dealing with ASCII datasets. But there are a couple of interesting things we added to a couple of our extensions. So let's take a look at those. First of all, let me open up a chart and let me go to our data manager. So I'm going to click the data manager and I'm going to go to event providers. And I'm going to turn on a couple of event providers that return analyst ratings. So here we have Yahoo Finance. So I'm going to enable Yahoo Finance and I'm going to enable MarketBeat, both of which deliver analyst ratings. So let's type in a stock symbol, for example, American Airlines, and let's see what we get for some of these analyst ratings. We can see here a bunch of up arrows. We have a bunch of upgrades here from the analysts, and the red arrows are downgrades. So these are fundamental data coming from those event providers. But in our fundamental extension, in the new release, we added a new indicator which summarizes these analyst ratings into into a summarized average score. So if we go to indicators and expand the fundamentals tab, we have our new indicator here, analyst score. So if we drag this over, we see it has a parameter of a number of years lifespan. So what this does is on a firm by firm basis, it will take the average analyst ratings of all the firms for each particular date on the chart, and it will average them into a single number, which can range from either a 3, which would be a strong buy, to a -3, which would be a strong sell. Any firms who have not updated their analyst rating within this specific time frame will be dropped out of the calculation. So let's click OK. So here we go. We have a nice indicator now here, which gives us a summary of the analyst ratings for a particular stock at any time. New in the fundamental extension. Next, let's take a look at the chart styles up here. In our trend chart style extension, we added a new chart style based on the latest article in the November 2025 issue of Technical Analysis of Stocks and Commodities magazine. It is the point and line style. So if I click point and line, we see a line chart. So this is kind of giving a similar treatment to point and figure. It's only showing the relevant, important reversal points, but it's actually plotting the line on the price point that indicated a relevant price movement. So it's filtering out all of the kind of noise in the market, and it is showing us only the relevant price reversals here. This is also configurable. If I click the configuration, you can configure the box size, which is analogous to the point and figure box size, and the reversal boxes. So basically the line will only reverse if price moves against the current trend by this number of reversal boxes, where a box is equal to this much price movement. So for the case of this configuration, the line will reverse only if it moves 3 price points or lower. So there we go. We have a point and line chart style now in our trends chart styles extension. So that's about it for this update, build 136. Update your WealthLab with the latest version and update your extensions. So that's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the forums.